Hi guys and welcome to Sepa channel. Today we have a pair of headphones. It's a studio monitoring headphones. It's beyerdynamics. I'll show you here. Um, it's the model DT880 Pro, and normally Pro wouldn't mean anything, to be honest. Like the majority of brands just put Pro because they sell better. In this case it's actually something that you might want to look for, because there is a version for home use, so that's not actually meant to be used in the studio. Although it has the same drivers, it is a little bit more tweaked to have warmer sound for home use. So this pair of headphones has 6.3 millimeter jack, and also you can unscrew this. I can't do it right now with one hand, but you can unscrew it and you have another 3.5 millimeter underneath, basically, so you can use it with whatever player you have. However, keep in mind this is a 250 ohm uh, driver, so you might not be able to play it from your phone, because you can imagine you can barely can hear the sound because the impedance is too high. Anyway, as I specified, this is an owner review, so I'm gonna go through a couple of things which I want to share with you guys. Since this is a professional pair of headphones, you can imagine you can use them daily for extended periods of time, and then the point of contact, obviously it will be these pads and also this headband, both of which you can have a replacement actually. And this is the difference between a consumer pair of headphones like Beats by Dre, for example. They are not meant to be repaired. They aim to make as much as revenue as possible, so they can only sell you a new one. In this case, you can buy the pads. They are about 20 pounds for both of them. They're not cheap, but keep in mind that's about 10% of the price of the headphones, so it's worth it. And the headband, this headband, it's actually pretty used to change, and the headband can be purchased for about 8 pounds. So if you plan to actually change the headband and the foam pads, it will cost you about 29 pounds. Unfortunately, the cable is not detachable, so that means in case it breaks, you kind of need to remove this I mean, if in case it splits here, although it didn't happen until now, which is mostly because it's very solid, but let's say it will happen, then you need to open the driver and then just pull it in a little bit and then resolder the connections there. Overall, pretty satisfied with the sound. It is a semi-open back, so you kind of need to use it in a quiet space like the studio. I mean, let's say if you want to record, to play the instrumental in this headphones a bit while you record, I wouldn't recommend it, because you can actually hear pretty loud in your microphone, and the mixing engineer won't be very happy with that. That was about it. Also, this coil, which is basically for the lead, it's quite useful, although some people complain about it because it can be easily tangled. However, I don't have that problem until now, so it's okay. This pair of headphones is still made in Germany, and that's plus. Most probably that's why it costs around 180 pounds, give or take, depends on where you are buying it from. It's an old model. Firstly, it was introduced in 2007, and um, it didn't change much in all this time. Hopefully, the quality is the same from that moment. It sits pretty well on the head. And if you guys have any questions in regards with this headphones, just um, let us know. Write a comment, and we will get back to you as fast as possible, as always. Okay, guys, just don't forget to subscribe if you're not there already did that, and a like would help us, and also um, a comment if you don't have anything else better to do. See you soon. Bye.